Hello everyone, welcome again. In today's video, we are gonna learn about the present value of bond, which means the bond valuation. We have to calculate the bond value. So to calculate the bond value, we need some variables like payment, which is per value, also known as the coupon rate, the maturity period, and the required return. So these four variables we need to calculate the bond valuation. So we are starting our calculation through the Excel formula, which is PV, the very common formula of our previous videos from our previous videos. The PV, it shows that we have to put the return rate first. So the required return is 10%. Then the n per, which means the period, so this, and then we have to put the payment. So here a note to remember that we have to multiply the payment with the coupon rate. So multiplying this, then we have to put the future value, so in minus figure, so the minus and then the payment or the per value. Then we have to calculate this for the end of the period, so 0 again, then closing the bracket. So this is the formula to calculate the present value of a bond, and this is the figure. This is the figure to this is the present value or bond valuation for a $5,000 bond. Now we are going to learn about the calculation of NPV, which means net present value. So here we need some variables like rate, which is 15%, and it is the cash flow of a project, and this is initial investment. So the net present value, we are going to calculate the net present value here. So we have to put the formula first, which is NPV. Then we have to put the rate. So the rate is 15% that we have selected. Then all the value, closing the bracket. Then we have to minus the initial investment. So this, yes. So the net present value of project X is this, and with the same formula we are going to calculate the project Y value, net present value. So NPV again, rate, which is this, which is seems to be the same. Then all the cash flow, closing the bracket again, and then we have to minus this the initial investment. So this is the formula to calculate the net present value, and this is the figure.